video, so I'm just trying a different camera angle. I'm gonna see if it works. I don't even know if it's at a good angle right now, but if it is, I'll upload the video. If not, well, you won't see the video. So I'm just trying to make content right now that doesn't really cost too much money, so that's why I've been slacking lately. So I'm pretty sure the passenger side front and rear shocks are both busted, so I definitely got to change those, because it does like knock every time you hit something on that side. I don't really hear it as much on the left hand side. Now I did went to jack up the car the other day, and the jack went through, like, I don't really jack it up on the jack points. I'm used to newer cars now where I just put it on like along the rocker panel, rock guard I guess you could call it, right where that lip is underneath, and the jack went through the floor or through the side. So I definitely need to go ahead and fix all those holes, because the safety inspection is due in a couple months, I think. So I definitely want to get everything tip top. I still got to put the tires on this thing. So I did put my Borla attacks from my manual onto this, and so it's just stock catback piping with aftermarket resonators and mufflers. So I tried my quarter mile time again, never beat a 14.7. So I tried it again a couple times with the mufflers, figured maybe it flows a little better, it's lighter, but no, my time did not improve at all. I'm gonna go ahead, put the lightweight wheels on for my manual onto this. I'm still gonna make manual content. Right now I'm just trying to put out some stuff with this as fast as I can, and then fix it up, like I said, sell it, and then, you know, then I have that money to do content, more content. I think either boost the manual or mod the Q. Either way, I'm going to boost the manual eventually, but I would like to mod the Q like properly with like an intercooler and an exhaust and a tune, like race box tune. So we'll see. There's only so much time, so hopefully I can get everything done that I wanted this season. The goal was supercharger kit or turbo kit. Turbo is just a custom turbo, so I'm still waiting for crypto to go up. If it does, then I'll boost the TL right away, but for now I just kind of want to keep a reliable daily, so even if I mod the Q, I don't think it's going to blow up anytime soon. So this thing's actually, like, it feels fast, but it's just a quarter mile time, and trap speed is just, it's not fast. It's pretty slow. So this thing's 4,000 pounds, so I'm definitely gonna throw those lightweight wheels on, and I'm hoping, like, I'm just gonna try the quarter mile time with the lightweight wheels, and then I'm gonna take out all the seats and spare tire tools and all that. But I just want to see if I can get a 14.5, maybe a 14.4. I'd like to get out of the 6s 0 to 60, but geez, I feel like that's going to take full catless exhaust, a tune, and everything. But we'll see how much the lightweight wheels help, because I know these heavy 19s got to be hurting it. Like, just the way this thing pulls once you're going, it definitely feels like it should be faster than a high 14-second car. Like, I'm still getting 15 seconds. Like, you know, that's pretty sad, really. But I've tried, like, Car and Driver, they rate it 14.7, I think, at 96 miles per hour, 97 miles per hour. So it's pretty much what I got, but this is obviously a lot older than a brand new car. So all in all, I think the time is pretty good based on that. But in reality, like, my manual's friggin' over a second faster. Like just J-pipe and intake, my manual got a 13.49. So this, if I put J-pipe intake, I might get a 14.5 maybe. So the manual's literally a full second faster, but it's definitely because it can get off the line way better. Like the 0 to 60 on this is friggin' high 6s to mid 6s. Like the best I did was a 6.5, but it's consistently high 6s. So my manual is consistently mid to low 5s, even stock. Now it's like low 5s, high 4s consistently. So it's definitely, the manual definitely helps because you can get it out in VTEC, whereas this, you're not in VTEC getting off the line. So hopefully the lightweight wheels rev up those revs faster and we get a good time. But stay tuned, lots more. I just figured I'd make a little video. I'm gonna do a drive-by with these exhausts, but yeah, I definitely like the sound of it though. Like, I think you can go a little faster, but my tires are bald, so I'm not going to do that. They say you can go about 130, 125 miles an hour if you just hold it in 6th long enough, but it got to about 120 there in 4th. So that's the killer with this car. If it didn't have that issue, these things boosted would be friggin' awesome, because the transmission can hold a decent amount of power. If anything, it'll hold the power better than the manual, I think. So, and you don't gotta like replace clutches and stuff like that. So if the transmission and these let go, you can replace one for cheap. Transmission and manual lets go, oh my goodness, it's so hard to get the parts. It takes forever. I waited a year for parts. So the manual has its upsides, the auto has its upsides, but all in all, the manual is so much more fun and easier to make fast. I'm kind of getting discouraged trying to make this fast, and I didn't even really try yet, just because I've tried so many quarter-mile times. It's just not fast. So we'll see what the lightweight wheels are. But anyways, that's it for this video. Just wanted to give you a quick in-car sound of the exhaust. I don't even know if you could hear it good, but stay tuned, lots more to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.